Hi students, second year BSc Chemistry and Computers. Today we are starting 4th semester physics class. Already I sent the syllabus of this paper, thermodynamics. The title of this paper is thermodynamics and radiation physics. So today we are talking the first topic in first unit in the first lesson, that is the kinetic theory of gases. So first gases. So those are one state of matter. So kinetic theory of gases, postulates of this topic. The kinetic theory of gas was first developed by Maxwell and Clausius. The fundamental postulates of this kinetic theory of gases, of an ideal gas, are so all gases are made up of molecules. We know gas అనేది molecules తో తయారవుతుందని చెప్పి తెలుసు. So which are considered to be rigid and perfectly elastic and identical in all respects. అలాగే the molecules are in random motion. ఈ గ్యాస్ లో ఉండే molecules are in random motion with all possible speeds in all directions. గ్యాస్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఒక పర్టికులర్ పాసిబుల్ స్పీడ్తో అన్ని డైరెక్షన్స్లోనూ మూవ్ అవుతుంటాయి. సో డ్యూరింగ్ దిస్ ర్యాండమ్ మోషన్ ద మాలిక్యూల్స్ కొలైడ్ విత్ వన్ అనదర్. ఒక కంటైనర్ కన్సిడర్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు దట్ ఈస్ అస్యూమ్ ఏ కంటైనర్ అండ్ విచ్ ఫిల్డ్ బై ఎన్ ఐడియల్ గ్యాస్. ఒక కంటైనర్లో ఐడియల్ గ్యాస్ కనుక మనం తీసుకుంటే దాంట్లో మాలిక్యూల్స్ అన్నీ కూడా కదులుతున్నప్పుడు వాటి మధ్య కొలిజన్ జరుగుతుంది. So that is perfectly elastic collision. So then all the collisions are perfectly elastic and there is no loss of kinetic energy during this collision between any two successive collisions. ఏదైనా రెండు successive collisions తీసుకున్నప్పుడు the molecules move in a straight line. The distance is called the free path of the molecules. So the average distance travelled by a molecule between two collisions is known as its mean free path. Most important definition, that is free path or mean free path. So free path of the molecules means between two successive collisions a molecule moves in a straight line and the distance is called free path of the molecule. The average distance travelled by a molecule between two collisions is known as its mean free path. So those are the postulates of kinetic theory. So the pressure exerted by the gas molecules P is equal to well-known equation 1/3 small m n by v into v square or c square, where small m into capital N is the total mass of the gas, where m is the number of moles and n be the Avogadro's number. So then P is equal to 1/3 m by v into c square, c bar square or c square with the velocity. Then P is equal to 1/3 rho c bar square, where P be the pressure and V be the volume and n be the number of molecules and small m is the mass of each molecule. Okay, next topic is Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution formula or Maxwell's law of distribution of molecular speed. So molecular speed మనం calculate చేయడానికి we can use the Maxwell distribution law. So the Maxwell, according to this Maxwell law of distribution of molecular speed, the number of gas molecules dn having their speeds between c and c plus the Maxwell Boltzmann speed distribution function n is equal to 4 pi n into m by 2 pi kt whole power 3 by 2 into e power minus v square by 2 by 2 kbt, where n is the total number of molecules and v be the velocity and kb be the Boltzmann constant, T be the absolute temperature. The derivation of this law right. So in order to derive the law of distribution of molecules, the Maxwell made the following assumptions. So one is the gas consists of molecules with all possible speeds between 0 and infinity. ఒక కంటైనర్లో గ్యాస్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు అట్ యొక్క వెలాసిటీ ఫ్రమ్ 0 to infinity or infinite. So the average density of the gas enclosed in the vessel is in equilibrium and same at all places. దాంట్లో తీసుకున్న గ్యాస్ కూడా ఈక్విలిబ్రియం ఈక్వల్ డెన్సిటీ తోటి తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. అండ్ ద ప్రాబబిలిటీ దట్ ఎనీ మాలిక్యూల్ at random as velocities lying between certain limits is purely a function of velocities and limits considered particular velocities the functions toti anni consider cheyadam jarigindi. So let us assume the molecule at point P, the molecule velocity along x-axis is Vx and y-axis is Vy and z-axis is Vz. The resultant velocity is V. So all the molecules whose velocity components lie in the range between u and u plus du and v and v plus dv and w and w plus dw. ఇక్కడ మనం vx vy vz తీసుకున్నాం, దాన్ని u v w x axis లో వెలాసిటీ u, y axis లో వెలాసిటీ అండ్ z axis లో w అని తీసుకుంటే సో u plus du and v plus dv and w plus dw and u velocity నుంచి u plus dv, u velocity నుంచి u plus du velocityకి, అలాగే v velocity నుంచి v plus dv velocityకి, w velocity నుంచి w plus dw velocity యొక్క రేంజెస్లో వాటి వెలాసిటీస్ ఉన్నాయని మనం కన్సిడర్ చేయవచ్చు. రైట్. To derive this law, first I have to consider the velocities along different directions. Let us take point P. So this is the average velocity vector. This is along x-axis, this y-axis and this z-axis. the projections of these vectors C are U, V, U, V and W along X, Y, Z directions. All the molecules whose velocities lie in between U2, U plus du, V2, V plus dV, W2, W plus dW. So this will be contained in the element of volume du, dV and dW, which is shown in figure, that is du volume, this is du volume, dV and this is dW volume, du, dV, dW. So and a point within element corresponding to a particle whose velocity components lie between U, U plus du, V, V plus dV and W, W plus dW. So the probability that a given molecule has velocity lying between U and U plus du is a function of this is a function of U and du. So this may be written as f of U du, where f of u is a function of velocity, is a function of velocity u. Similarly, f of v dv and f of w dw be their respective functions of u, v and w. So the probability that molecule have its velocity component lying between u plus du, v plus dv and w and du plus w, this function can be written as like f of u, f of v, f of w, du, dv, dw. Right. The resultant velocity of this molecule is a single vector velocity of single vector c. The probability that the single vector value c lies in the volumes du, dv, dw is a function of c and function of c and du, dv, dw. So this can be expressed as f of c du, dv, dw. Okay, so which is more convenient for phi of c square du dv phi of c square equal to du dv dw, where phi is a function. So you can write f of u, f of v, f of w, du dv dw is equal to phi of c square du dv dw. So f of u, f of v, f of w is equal to phi of c square. That is equal to phi of c square means u square plus v square plus w square. Then c square equal to u square plus v square plus w square. So this is equation 1. So to solve this equation, so we note that particular value of c, that means that particular value, that means the c value constant, then the differentiation of this phi of c square will be phi of c square will be 0. Phi of c square will be 0. So let us take that condition. Then derivative of phi of c square is equal to 0. Then derivative of f of u, f of v, f of w is equal to derivative of phi of c square is equal to 0. Derivative of f of u, f of v, f of w means f dash of u into f of v, f of w du plus f of u into derivative of second term f dash of v, f of w dv plus f of u, f of v, f dash of w dw is equal to 0. Right. So here f dash of u, f dash of v and f dash of w be the derivatives of respective derivatives. The total term can be divided by f of u, f of v and f of w. Then we will get f dash of u by f of u remain, because f dash of v, f of v, f of v, f of w and f of w cancelled. In this case f of u, f of w cancelled, and in this case, in this term, f of u, f of v cancelled. Then finally the remaining term is f dash of u by f of u du plus f dash of v by f of v dv plus f dash of w by f of w dw is equal to 0. And again c square equal to u square plus v square plus w square. Again differentiate. this value, a particular value of c, c remains constant. That particular value of c differentiating the above equation, 0 is equal to what will we get? du du plus 2v dv plus 2w dw. 0 is equal to 2 remains 2 is a common and cancelled, then u du plus v dv plus w dw. 0 is equal to, so lambda is a constant. Okay, if you multiply this lambda by this equation, lambda u du plus lambda v dv plus lambda w dw. So adding this equation with f dash of u by f of u du term, then f dash of u by f of u plus lambda u du plus f dash of e by f of e plus lambda v dv plus f dash of w by f of w plus lambda w dw is equal to 0. Okay, where u, v and w are the independent of each other, then the total term can be written as f dash of u by f of u plus lambda u du is equal to 0. Similarly, f dash of e by f of e plus lambda v dv is equal to 0, and f dash of w by f of w lambda w du is equal to 0. So let us consider this term. So then f dash of u by f of u du is equal to minus lambda u du. First you simplify this term, and by using this, similarly we will write the solutions of these two terms. Okay, f dash of u by f of u plus lambda u is equal to into du is equal to 0. Then f dash of u by f of u du is equal to minus lambda u du, integrating on both sides. Then log f of u is equal to minus lambda into e square by 2 plus log a base e after simplification. So log f of u by a whole square is equal to minus lambda u square by 2. Right. So taking e for both sides, to remove the log on both sides, f of u by a is equal to e power minus lambda u square by 2. Then f of u is equal to a into e power minus lambda u square by 2, that is equal to a into e power minus lambda by 2, let me write b into u square. Okay, so similarly f of v is also a into e power minus b v square, and f of w is equal to a into e power minus b w square. Okay, therefore ఏం వచ్చింది మనకి f of u, f of v, f of w functions we are getting. Then f of u into f of v into f of w is equal to ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చమ్మా, a into a ఎంత అవుతుంది, a cube and e power. Okay, so from these terms minus b common, minus b into u square plus e power u square plus v square plus w square. Okay, so write down this equation for further reference. Right, so f of u, f of v, f of w term వచ్చింది. So let small n be the number of molecules per cc centimeter cube of the gas with possible velocities from minus infinity to plus infinity. So according to probability definition, n into volume integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of u, f of v, f of w du dv dw is equal to n. So n into this value is equal to n. Then volume integral minus infinity to plus according to probability theory. So this is the probability theory reference. F of u, f of v, f of w du dv dw is equal to 1. N into something value is equal to n, that is equal to 1. So then integral minus infinity to plus infinity, already we got the value of this f of u, f of w ఎంత వచ్చింది, a cube into e power minus b into u square plus v square plus w square du dv dw is equal to 1. Right, so we know the value of this, that is integral volume integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power so volume integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus b into u square du. This term is equal to root pi by b. ఈ term root pi by b కి equal అవుతుంది. So by using this value you can write the above equation, that is e power minus b into u square du is equal to root pi by b. Then a cube into a cube by trace a cube into, so first e power minus b u square du is equal to root pi by b, e power minus b v square dv is equal to root pi by b, e power minus b u square dw is equal to root pi by b. సో కాబట్టి ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు ఇక్కడ, root pi by b into root pi by b into root pi by b is equal to 1. So that implies a cube into root pi by b whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3, not 3 by 2 is equal to 1. Then a is equal to b by రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ b by పై ఆల్రెడీ రూట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి దాన్ని 1/2 కింద రాసుకుంటే పక్కన 1/2. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ క్యూబ్ రూట్ చేసినప్పుడు రూట్ క్యూబ్ రూట్ అంటే 1 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి a ఇంటూ దిస్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ a ఇంటూ రూట్ పై బై b ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు b by పై హోల్ పవర్ 1/2 అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, రైట్. సో దెన్ a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు b by pi 1/2, that is equal to m by 2 pi, where b is equal to m by 2 kt, so m by kt, so is into whole power 1/2. So from this b is equal to a is equal to b by pi is equal to m by this value, ఈ వాల్యూకి ఈక్వల్ అవుద్ది. దెన్ b ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎవరు రాసుకోవచ్చు ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, m by 2 kt, where small k, this is small k into capital T. Okay, so from this we are getting value b, value of b. Then ఏం జరుగుతుందో చూద్దాం. ద నంబర్ dn of the molecules having velocity component lying between u plus du, dn with the molecules lying between u plus du and v2 v plus dv and w2 w plus dw. So the then dn is equal to n into f of u, f of v, f of w, du dv dw. Okay, so substituting the value of this f of u, f of w, then dn is equal to n into f of u, f of value ఎంత వచ్చింది, a cube into e power minus b into u square plus v square plus w square into du dv dw. Okay, so again we substitute the value of a and b in this, then dn is equal to n into m by 2 pi kt whole power 3/2 e power, what is the value of b, minus m by 2 kt into u square plus v square plus w square du dv dw. Okay, this is Maxwell's distribution law. Number of molecules dn is equal to n into m by 2 pi kt whole power 3/2. The velocity of the total number of molecules lie between c plus dc అని తీసుకుంటే, c plus dc అని తీసుకుంటే the volume of this 4/3 pi r cube, 4/3 pi r cube minus c cube is equal to 4/3 pi c cube dc. So this can be substituted in this. Also we will get dnc is equal to, so 4 by n into m by 2 pi kt whole power 3/2 e power minus m 2 pi kt. ఇక్కడ u square plus v square plus w square ఎంత రాసుకోవచ్చమ్మా, c square అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ du dv dw వాల్యూ ఎంత వచ్చింది, 4 pi c square dc. Okay, so this is Maxwell law of distribution of molecular speed. Okay.